there's a common thing where people who don't play a lot of board games will ask you like, oh, like Monopoly? And you're like, you have to be kind. You have to be, like, if you like Monopoly, that's great, but no. My favorite board game, Age of Steam. But I like all the modern board games, so.
Is it
It's
train themed?
Yes.
Oh man, my friend would love that. He's like a huge Catan person, but he loves trains.
It's cutthroat.
Okay.
You can lose on like the first
The board
turn.
game cutthroat.
Yeah.
Are we still wordling?
Oh yeah, I got it in 2 guesses today. I was so excited.
I do it mostly because I have a streak and I don't want to. I want to see the streak keep going, and so I think when I lose, I'll probably stop. But I haven't lost yet. So there's been a couple close calls.
Ryan always, like we said before, Ryan always thumbs up like emojis everyone's Wordle for the day. Clearly, that was too much work for him to pay attention, so he set up a Zapier link so that every time someone posts in the Wordle channel, he'd like make some new comment like, way to go, or you're a superstar. Well, of course you are. That was today's. But the Zapier didn't work the first couple days, so the first person posted and there was about 60 posts of way to go, way to go, way to go. So yeah, our Slack was spammed these past couple mornings when we logged on.
We private message each other, and he says,
so yours are still heartfelt.
he's like, for real, good job.
You know, somehow the thumbs up felt more personal because we know you had to press it yourself, but this way to go Zapier link seems like you're just starting to get lazy and bored. It sounds like he's the first one to start getting bored of Wordle. So we'll see.